My name is Juan Pablo. I was born in Pasto, and I'm living here in the Las Lunas neighborhood. I am 30 years old. I study system engineering in 8th semester. My cell phone is 317-228-3928. I like go bicycling in the morning, especially on weekends, and my free times I listen to music and sometimes I watch TV. I talk about activity. What English level are you in? I am in level 4. How many youths are there in the online contents? There are 15 units and 6 units are enabled. How many practice does unit to have? It has 6 practice. How many collaborative words does the course have? It has 2 collaborative words. What units can you find the explanations on past perfect? The explanation on past perfect I can find in the unit 1. What is American accent lean for? The American accent lean refers to how the sound is produced and the way in which the string modifies as it passes through the vocal tract. Place the articulations refers to which articulators are involved, the predictions and particular sounds. Voicing refers to whether the vocal folds are vibrating during a production on a particular consonant.